Great. So actually, let me try this one more time. What is our meeting ID? 7?
Your meeting ID 716-778-2808.
Some issue with Zoom, or I don't know what. Okay. So so we'll just do one visualization or a meditation to understand the nature of the body and of thoughts and so on. So okay, just close your eyes. Just close your eyes and sit, and imagine that you are in floating in a blue green beautiful calm ocean, which there are no waves,
You're muted.
nothing.
Yeah,
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you, but very soft.
Very soft. Okay.
Come a little further.
Uh,
Closer.
okay. So you're floating on your back in this ocean, just very, very calm, very relaxed. Take a deep breath in and take a deep, slowly breathe out. You don't have a care in the world. You're just floating on this body of water, which has no waves, just very calm, quiet water on your back. The water temperature is also same as your body, so you're neither cold nor warm. You're just perfectly comfortable. You can hardly make out where your skin ends and where the water begins. It's that similar. And now, as you continue to breathe comfortably, slowly, your body is entering the water towards the sandy ocean floor, which is just below the water, several feet below the water. And you're continuing to breathe magically inside the water. And now visualize that you're at the bottom of the ocean on this soft, beautiful yellow sand. Which is supporting your body so nicely, and you're completely at ease, completely comfortable, just breathing easily in and out. Now imagine that your thoughts, whatever your thoughts are that are coming to you right now, are floating, are small bubbles which are floating up from your body up towards the top of the ocean. And imagine this one thought, whatever the thought is, a bubble rising slowly to the top. And when it reaches the surface, it just goes pop, and you find that there was nothing there. And another thought similarly rises to the top and bursts like a bubble with nothing in it. And imagine many, many more thoughts, sometimes in bursts together, few thoughts, sometimes one thought after a while. These bunches of bubbles just rising from you to the top and bursting on the surface of the water into nothing. As you continue to relax, continue to be at peace at the bottom of this water, which is so comforting and so comfortable and soft the sand is. And if you were to open your eyes inside the water, you would see nothing but water and water for endlessly stretching out, just water, and on the floor, just endless sand stretching out in all directions. And these thoughts continue to come, continue to form bubbles, and then slowly rise to the top and pop and disappear. ये बुलबुले विचारों के पानी में से आते हैं ऊपर और अदृश्य हो जाते हैं, और आप देखते हैं कि इस विचार में कुछ भी नहीं था। एक विचार, कई विचार आते हैं, बुलबुले बन बन के पानी में ऊपर जाके फूटते हैं और अंदर कुछ भी नहीं है। अभी इमेजिन करो कि बहुत सारे बुलबुले आपके पूरे शरीर को कवर कर रहे हैं, कंप्लीटली कवर कर रहे हैं, हजारों लाखों बुलबुले, कोई एक छोटी सी भी जगह नहीं रही, आपका पूरा शरीर इन बुलबुलों से कवर्ड, टॉप टू बॉटम, hands, legs, torso, head, face, everything is covered with these bubbles, bubbles, bubbles everywhere. And now imagine this whole thousands of bubbles rising up, ऊपर उठ रहे हैं पानी में, सरफेस की तरफ, और ऊपर आते हैं आहिस्ता से, और सारे ही जैसे पानी में से बाहर आते हैं,
पूछ लेते हैं।
फूटते हैं और अदृश्य हो जाते हैं सारे। आप नीचे ओशन की फ्लोर की तरफ देखिए, क्या कुछ वहां आपको नजर आ रहा है, कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है कि कुछ भी नहीं है? The bubbles rose and burst, and now when you look down, what do you see? Do you see anything? Is there any body there, or has it disappeared? Now notice कि ये शरीर अदृश्य हो गया है, फिर भी आप इस ओशन को, पानी को, ये रेत को देख रहे हैं endlessly in all directions. ये बने बिना शरीर वाला जो देख रहा है, जो अनुभव कर रहा है, ये क्या है? ये कौन है? देखिए कि शरीर नहीं है, फिर भी आप है। और देखिए कि आपकी भी इस सागर की तरह, जहां दूर दूर अनएंडिंग ये सागर जा रहा है, वहां तक आप भी जा सकते हैं। आपकी चेतना, आपकी ऊर्जा, ये सागर जितना भी बड़ा हो जाए, उसके साथ साथ इसकी भी कोई सीमा नहीं है, जो आप है। और अभी आहिस्ता से, स्लोली अपने आप को वापस आपका जो शरीर है उसमें प्रवेश कीजिए। री एंटर द बॉडी। And slowly you can open your eyes. Okay. Great. So everyone followed along. Follow किया ये जो पूरा process journey. Yeah. You're on mute.
Sanjeev ji, there's an echo coming, so if you could just put one on mute. Oh, okay. There is one on mute. I'm sorry, I didn't see.
One is on mute, but I don't know why the echo is coming.
Yeah. It's okay. That's okay. We can ignore the echo.
Yeah, ignore the echo for now. So, yeah, what did you experience? What did you feel, think, realize, see?
I-
Yeah.
I experienced deep relaxation and I passed off. Really?
Okay.
I passed off.
Okay, great. Wonderful.
You said
Oh,
blue, green ocean, lie on your
yeah.
back. Zoom, zoom,
Finished.
gone.
Gone.
Deep
Yeah, that's what I
That's what I
mine.
needed so much. Relaxing in
Yeah.
an ocean.
Yeah, blue green ocean. Yeah, very good. What else? You didn't follow along what will happen after that. You were
In
gone.
patches, like,
Patches.
and then
Yeah.
I would again go off like that.
Okay.
Sorry.
No,
I
that's
feel
okay.
I feel I was floating.
You felt you were floating. Okay, good, good. So, what else? All these thoughts that were just going and becoming bubbles and disappearing.
Yeah.
So, what is normally हम जो हमारे विचार है उसके बारे में what do we think about our thoughts? Are our thoughts हमारे जो विचार है उनको हम normally कितना महत्व देते हैं?
Sometimes we feed our thoughts.
Yeah. So, do we give importance to our thoughts or not?
Yes, yes, of course.
Yeah. So in this case, as you were just watching
we get attached to them and we think that
we get
attached to those thoughts.
Right,
and
right.
we think that we are the thoughts only.
Right.
Sometimes.
Right. So हम हमारे विचार को बहुत महत्व देते हैं और वो विचार जो आते हैं उसको हम रिएक्ट भी करते हैं. यानी कोई पर्टिकुलर विचार आया तो हम खुश हो जाते हैं, कोई जो विचार हमें पसंद नहीं है तो दुखी हो जाते हैं और कुछ विचारों को लेकर हम उसके ऊपर एक्ट करते हैं. So
कैरी
we are
आउट हो
continue.
जाते हैं,
हाँ,
उस विचार में कैरी आउट हो जाते हैं, आगे चल जाते हैं,
विचारों में आगे चले जाते हैं और विचारों को लेकर हम विचारों को बहुत महत्व देकर हम विचार में और हमारे में कोई अंतर ही नहीं महसूस करते हैं और वो विचार को हम रिएक्ट करते हैं. दैट इज अ वन बिग थिंग. वी रिएक्ट टू द थॉट्स. तो ये यहाँ जब हम विचारों को ऐसे ही छोड़ देते थे, जाने देते थे और देख रहे थे कि कुछ नहीं है, तो were you okay? Were you still okay? Were you feeling peaceful, calm, relaxed in spite of all these thoughts being not reacted to? You were feeling relaxed and calm, yes or no? Yes.
More relaxed.
More relaxed. And are these so? Normally we don't, हम में और हमारे विचारों में कोई फर्क नहीं लगता है. जैसे हम सोचते हैं कि ये विचार ही मैं हूं. We don't separate between me and my thoughts. But in this experience, did you notice that you are where you are and thoughts are just going and coming? They are not you. मैं मेरे विचार नहीं हूं. ये एक अनुभव के तौर पे आपने देखा सबने. I am not my thoughts. Yes. Okay, great. And so when बाद में जब मैंने कहा कि ये बबल्स जो है सारे बबल्स बबल्स बबल्स, सारे शरीर के ऊपर बबल्स, और फिर वो सारे बबल्स उठ के ऊपर के चले गए, और जब आपने नीचे की तरफ देखा वापस, तो क्या दिखाई दिया?
पानी
हाँ,
पानी
पानी सिर्फ ना,
पानी
शरीर
पानी
शरीर था ही नहीं. Did you any of you experience that the body was not there? Yeah,
Yes.
Yes.
correct.
Yes.
Only as a feather जैसा that moving here and there.
Moving here and there, but जो solid body जो पहले हमने
वो
छोड़ा
चली
था, वो तो
ऊपर
था ही नहीं. वो
हाँ.
ऊपर चला गया वो bubbles के साथ. I think
हाँ.
everyone noticed that.
Floating,
And
floating.
this is the, हाँ, तो मैंने कहा नहीं था कि शरीर ऊपर जा रहा है और चला जा अदृश्य हो रहा है. मैंने तो सिर्फ बबल्स कहा ऊपर जा रहे हैं और फ्लोट हो रहा है. But somehow that the body itself vanished from the awareness, and you were still there. You were still present. So कल जो हम बात कर रहे थे about I am a collection of
Thoughts.
Trillions of cells.
collection of thoughts, collection of
Thoughts.
cells, trillions of different lives in me. There is not one body as such which I can say is me. Alag alag life forms together are creating this experience called body. Whereas actually देखा जाए तो ये body की जो हम solidity देखते हैं और अनुभव करते हैं और सोचते हैं कि ये कुछ स्थूल कुछ है, वैसा कुछ है ही नहीं. It just does not even exist. So great, wonderful. I thought it was a very interesting experiment to see that and when you can release your body from this hold of me, main hu, then not only your body becomes light, you so not only the body is light, but you yourself feel free and
Right.
liberated. So हम अपने आप को बहुत seriously लेते हैं जो, we take ourselves to see very seriously, and because we take ourselves so seriously, this serious self is always trying to get something more, be something more, do something more, rather than being satisfied and contented. A state of satisfaction. ये जो हम शांति की बात कर रहे हैं, शांति जो है, शांति का अनुभव और संतोष का अनुभव, शांति और संतोष, they are two sides of the same coin. Peace and contentment. So while we are trying, we all want to experience peace on one side, and at the same side हम संतोष का अनुभव नहीं करते हैं. So because there are two sides of the same coin, you cannot have one without the other. So being contented, are you contented? Are you satisfied? Ask yourself. And being satisfied has nothing to do with not having a goal, not having ambition, not creating. If you're satisfied, it doesn't mean that you stop creating, you stop serving, you stop giving, you stop reaching for more and more. But you're not reaching for more and more out of dissatisfaction. मैं अपने आप को अधूरा महसूस करता हूं, इसीलिए मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूं. Is a whole different game compared to मैं संतुष्ट हूं. I am satisfied. और लॉजिकली भी देखेंगे, अगर लॉजिकली देखेंगे, हाउ, मतलब क्या चाहिए हमें? what more do we want before we will declare satisfaction? और क्या चाहिए? सबके पास एक ना कुछ लिस्ट है कि ये होएगा फिर I am satisfied. But think of the list of time, moments and circumstances which you already have. How big is that list? That list is 10,000 times bigger than this list of things that you so-called don't have. So sometimes it seems to me that aren't we terribly greedy? Terribly greedy. I mean, if you know, इतना कुछ है, इतना सब है, फिर भी हमें ये बस ये नहीं, और भी चाहिए. I mean, what would you say to this bratty child if it was your child? You give this child hundreds of toys and the biggest luxuries and the most beautiful experiences and miraculous events and miraculous people and miraculous awareness. This whole universe, this sky, this blue sky, this ocean, this stars, people, music, taste, food, comfort, clothes. ये चाइल्ड को तुमने ये सब भी दे दिया, फिर भी ये रोते हुए बैठा है ना, मुझे ये भी चाहिए, मुझे और भी चाहिए. If you were a parent of such a child, don't you think you would lose your patience at one point and say, to either you naughty greedy child, you deserve you deserve one more thing now. And yet this universe is so kind, so forgiving, that in spite of this clamor for more, मुझे ये भी चाहिए, I'm not satisfied. You may not even consciously be saying that ये चाहिए. But are you experiencing satisfaction? Contentment? Are you contented? No, we are all कुछ ना कुछ, नहीं ये और कुछ चाहिए.
कुछ लोगों का ऐसा होता है कि दूसरे के पास है तो मेरे को भी वैसा ही चाहिए, ऐसा भी होता है.
हाँ, वो दूसरे को देख कर
कंपटीशन भी होता है कि उससे अच्छा मेरे को मिल जाए, ऐसा भी बात होता है.
ऐसा भी होता है.
बच्चे में तो होता ही है थोड़ी,
बच्चों में तो होता ही है, हमारे में भी होता है, बड़ों में भी होता है. सब कुछ अच्छा है, सेटिस्फाइड है, तो कुछ और दिख गया दूसरे के पास, तो वो भी चाहिए. वो भी डाल दो मेरे लिस्ट में, पेंडिंग लिस्ट में.
I have one question.
Yeah.
It is okay whatever we are practicing and everything, but for the daytime when we are doing our business, we have our priorities, we have to do lots of things, so
Yeah.
for that we can't live in that way na. So ho jata hai ki we have to take some decisions and everything. So agar abhi hum is pe bhi jate hain, तो it is very difficult for us to cope up for that level. फिर ऐसे लगता है कि अगर हम काम कर रहे हैं तो greediness है क्या, या but that work we have to do because we have to handle our things. So it is finding some time difficult. शाम को ठीक है, आने के बाद गुस्सा भी अभी आता है, या कल ही हुआ घर में सब कोविड सब हो गया मेरे मम्मी के पास. They are staying different side, I am staying in Pune. So handling them, their cryings and their everything, hospitalization, everything, handling from the phone, So getting irritated sometimes. And again that night I thought कि नहीं ये सब वो होना था, that Nilima is different, handling everything. But
Correct.
वो host है, you can't control your emotions. You have to उनको बच्चों जैसा समझना पड़ता है ना. Lots of situations are there in business also. We have to take the decisions and everything.
Correct.
तो कभी कभी तो लगता है कि we can't leave, we can't leave
Yeah.
everything. We can surrender to God or universe and that बाबा आप कर लो. But that I
No.
wanted to know कि कैसे manage
Right.
करना both the things. If we are not doing anything, so it is very easy to handle ourselves, and this experience and everything is it's very easy, I think. उस वक्त थोड़ा maybe not easy इतना, लेकिन maybe
No,
manageable.
I understand. I understand exactly your question, and I think it's not just for you; it is true for everyone. So when we understand who we are, हम कौन है ये हमें समझ में आ जाता है, असल में हम कौन है. तो हमारे दो चैनल चल रहे हैं. एक चैनल है, कहानी वही है लेकिन दो चैनल पे आ रही है. एक चैनल है हमारा ये छोटा सा सेपरेट सेल्फ, जिसको बहुत सारी परेशानियां है, ये है वो है, शरीर है, ओपिनियंस है, विचार है, बिलीफ्स है, और ऐसा लिमिटेड
है. उसको खाना चाहिए, उसको कुछ ना कुछ बीपी शुगर कुछ ना कुछ रहता है, फिर उसको डाइट भी फॉलो करना है, बिकॉज उसके लिए बहुत सारी अरेंजमेंट है,
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
अगेन द
सेकेंड पार्ट मीन्स
अभी जो हम सेकेंड पार्ट में जो सेल्फ का हम वी आर नॉट द बॉडी, वी आर आत्मा, दैट इज आवर सेकेंड पार्ट. मींस आई एम
दैट्स सेकंड चैनल. दैट इज द सेकंड चैनल. दोनों पैरेलल में चल रहे हैं. It is not that we have to choose this and forget this. It is not that we have to choose this and forget this or choose this and forget this. दोनों पैरेलल में चल रहे हैं. दोनों पैरेलल साथ साथ में, ये दोनों चैनल जैसे टीवी में आप तो एक ही चैनल देख रहे होते हैं लेकिन 100 चैनल चल रहे हैं ना उधर, लेकिन आप सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो कौन सा, लेकिन चालू दोनों है. So when जब हम जो भी कर रहे हैं ये चैनल में, इट इज अलाइंड विद दिस चैनल, उसका अलाइनमेंट में है. जो भी चल रहा है वो इसका अलाइनमेंट में चल रहा है या उससे अलग होके चल रहा है. दैट यू हैव टू सी. इट इज नॉट दैट वी स्टॉप दिस एक्टिविटी, व्हाटएवर इट इज, फूड एंड हॉस्पिटल एंड शरीर है. ऐसा नहीं है कि शरीर नहीं है. ये शरीर मैं नहीं हूं is one thing, but we are not saying the body does not exist. It exists. उसकी देखभाल करनी है, हमारे शरीर की, दूसरों के शरीर की, मतलब हमारे जो पेरेंट्स है या चिल्ड्रन है उनका शरीर का भी देखभाल करना, हिफाजत करना, उसकी सेवा करना. That is also part of our reality. It is not that it doesn't exist. It is just that I am not that. I am not that. So, and whatever I am experiencing, I am directing towards aligning this karam with myself, with who I really am. Jennifer जी आप सुन रहे हैं? हाँ. So, is that frozen? The video is frozen, I think.
Yeah.
Somehow video is frozen. Yeah. Okay, never mind.
No.
Now I'm able to see. So, okay, so I heard a very beautiful sentence yesterday. Karam, when it is directed towards your true self, when it is aligned with your true self, karam becomes dharam. Okay, so this was something very beautiful that I just heard. So It is not that we are not going to, that we have to stop doing our karma. Whatever that action, whatever activity, whatever action is fine. We still do that. But we do it in alignment, consistent with, and as per the qualities of the true you. उसके हिसाब से जो भी कर रहे हैं, then that same karma becomes dharam.
Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So nice, huh?
Yeah.
So same thing. So करना क्या है वही, if your parent or somebody is not well and is COVID positive or whatever, everything that you have to do, you do, which is calling the hospital and making arrangements and arranging for food or arranging for quarantine or whatever. But what is the background in which you are doing all that? What is the background? The background could be, hi, ye kya musibat aa gayi? This is, not at all what I want to do. This is not, not going to be happy. I'm not happy with this. I don't like it. Abhi jabardasti karna padega. Now this is so much trouble. I have enough problems on my hand. Even in business, you have 5 different decisions to make. Abhi ye karna hai, wo karna hai. This person is not doing according to this. So that is your foreground. Now, if your background is like this, where I don't want this, I resist this, I don't like it, I want to avoid it, I resist it, मुझे इसको नहीं चाहिए, और फिर भी आप कर रहे हैं, तो आप और कर्म को बढ़ा रहे हैं. लेकिन जब आप वो भी वही करते हुए आप समझते हैं कि वाओ, मुझे एक मौका मिला है मेरे पेरेंट्स की जो मेरे पे ऋण है उसको वापस करने का.
वैसे एक्चुअली बहुत शांति तरीके से, मतलब उस टाइम हाइपर भी हो जाते हैं, लॉट्स ऑफ इमोशंस एंड एवरीथिंग, लेकिन रात को ऐसा लगता है नहीं, जो वो पहले जैसा था ना, बिहेव जैसा मैं ये आ रही हूँ, वो बिजनेस करना है, ये डिसीजन लेना है, तो थोड़ा सा एक शांति तो हो गई है माइंड में.
Right, but let it be not just in the evening when you're relaxed and you're on open door or that. Let it be true throughout the day. Let it be true in the middle of the action. In the middle of...
It is our
Huh?
It is our pleasure to play the duty.
Yeah, right. If you have that thought, it is... that ये सेवा जो मैं कर रही हूँ,
pleasure, perform duty.
It's my opportunity for me to do that.
Do that.
Or so in the middle of action. So just because we are seeing that when I say I am not the body, doesn't mean the body does not exist. Let us be very clear. It is not about ignoring the body. It is not about saying that ये body कुछ तुच्छ है या स्थूल है या इसको भूल जाओ. It's not what we are saying. What we are saying is that the body is an instrument that I have to play in this physical reality. But I am not this body. I have this body. I have this equipment. It's like I have a car, but I'm not my car. And doesn't mean just because I'm not the car, I throw away my car or destroy my car or don't take care of it. I service it beautifully. I clean it every day and I keep it nice and I keep it healthy and I keep it running beautifully and smoothly and I take care of it. But it is not me. मैं वो नहीं हूँ. So that is the understanding. So just because we are saying it is not me, it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. And similarly with all other people, they are also not their bodies. They also have bodies. It is much easier to be an observer or an experiencer of sickness than to have a sickness. Let's say we are talking about ourselves. If we are not feeling well, if we have a headache, I have a headache is a very much a statement of suffering. Or I am sick is a statement of suffering. But to say that my body is feeling tired and I am simply observing this, whatever is going on, and experiencing whatever is going on, but it is not me. So usme, that is what we were talking about the other day, difference between pain and suffering. Pain hona, pain के बारे में हम ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते. It's an external event. But suffering as a result of the pain, that is in our hands, whether we suffer or not. So similarly with business decisions also, what is the issue with business decisions? You take whatever decisions you take, but just check whether they are aligned with your true self. If the I'm thinking I'm क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Video was getting stuck. Now it's clear. You can continue. Thanks.
Oh, okay. Right. So that is the difference. So now from now onwards, let us start living this way. It is high time. It is time for us who are all together on this, in this understanding, to be in a state of contentment. And be in a state of smile. Be in a state of peace. Be in a state of okayness. In the middle of all experience, because all experience is just drama happening on the screen, roles we are playing. We don't have to get caught in it. And when we are not caught and we are free, we are simply enjoying the ride and smiling our way through life. So may all of you experience this bliss. May all of you experience this smile of life. And may all of you smile through life in the middle of every experience. Let that point of stillness become available to you. That single point जो आप असल में है, वो आपके पास रहे, आगे रहे और forefront में रहे. Sonal will this question tomorrow. It's a good question, but it's not that way. Life, suffering is part of life. Okay, let's face it. One of the first words of Buddha is life is suffering. And so what? So what? So suffering is also okay. Suffering is also okay. एक मोटे सेठ
Rajiv ji, it's not coming clear.
और कोई पंखा लगे.
Can't
Can't hear.
Yeah, so can you please repeat what you said? We heard up till Buddha's thing.
Can you hear?
Yes, now we can.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, we can.
Can hear, okay.
Yeah.
I'll have to find something about this internet.
So we
Okay.
heard you up till what you said about the
So-
Buddha.
Wait, I can't hear you. Wait, I think I'm on mute over here. Hold on. I think I'm on mute. Okay, you can hear me or not?
Yes, we
Yes.
can hear you. We
And I
heard
can
you
hear
up
you,
till-
you can hear me. We are back in business. Okay.
Okay, so we heard you up to the point where you said Buddha said suffering is that part we heard.
Okay. So he said life is suffering.
Yeah.
एक दृष्टि से देखेंगे तो लाइफ के में सफरिंग के सिवा कुछ है ही नहीं. From one point of view, life is all suffering. दिन सुबह में उठना पड़ता है, is a suffering. You have to get up, you have to brush your teeth, you have to go to the bathroom, you have to have dinner, you have to have lunch, you have to talk to people. अरे बाप रे, suffering के सिवा कुछ है ही नहीं. ऐसा लग रहा है. Life is suffering, but so what? When you, so I was telling you one story about this. एक सेठ थे जिसको बहुत मोटे मोटे सेठ थे, बहुत आलसी और बहुत पैसा था, तो बहुत सारे नौकर थे उसके पास. तो एक जब भी वो खाने को बैठते थे तो एक बंदा उसको पंखा लगा रहा है हाथ से, एक बंदा खाना ला रहा है, एक दूसरा बंदा वो चम्मच में डाल के खिला रहा है, एक नैपकिन लेके खड़ा है, एक पानी लेके खड़ा है. और ये मोटे सेठ जो थे वो खाना खा रहे थे वैसे, और पसीना हो रहा है. पसीना
क्योंकि चबाना पड़ रहा है उनको.
हाँ,
क्योंकि चबाना पड़ रहा है उनको.
तो
खाना
पंच लाइन नहीं
चबाना
बोलो
पड़
ना
रहा
अभी.
है।
पंच लाइन थोड़ा पंच लाइन पे बोलना पड़ता है. तो वो उनकी पत्नी आके देखती है ये दृश्य और बोलती है, सेठ जी ये खिला रहा है आपको, पानी ये दे रहा है, वो पंखा लगा रहा है, और आप पसीने पसीने क्यों हो रहे? बोल रहा है, चबा रहा कौन है, तेरा बाप. तो चबाना तो पड़ ही रहा है ना, चबा तो रहा हूं मैं. सो उसकी तो उसको तो सफरिंग हो रहा है उसमें भी. लाइफ इज सफरिंग, देयर इज नो एस्केप. See, Sonal, life is a paradox. It's a mystery. There is no one clear, straight answer. We explore the mystery and live with this paradoxical reality that we are in, and that is what makes it all interesting and beautiful and worth living. कि हमें पता नहीं ये सफरिंग में भी हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. वो सफरिंग की घिसाई जो होती है कांच कागज के साथ, उसमें हम स्मूथ हो जाते हैं. So in a way suffering is life is suffering. If you have to breathe, you have to suffer. But it is your choice. When you say that life is suffering, and at the same time when you say, so what? Okay, life is suffering, then you can dance again.
That is contradictory to what you yourself said a few sessions ago.
Yes, correct.
Divine
It is
does not suffer.
contradictory. It is contradictory
contradictory.
because what is the contradiction?
Life
You
is a celebration.
yourself told that divine does not suffer. Right? So we are all divine.
Divine,
Now you're saying
divine is,
suffering is life. So that means divine is life and divine is suffering. That
Yes.
means what I was talking was right. Life is suffering. We are divine, so we are suffering.
We are
Divine is
suffering.
suffering.
yes, divine is suffering. Divine can suffer. Divine does suffer when it chooses to suffer. So if suffering
Everyday
is a
statement
choice,
change हो जाता है.
so ultimately जो हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, right?
No,
Now
that's the fact. Reality.
what is it?
Reality.
It's reality. It's whatever is reality. See, and contradiction and opposites are also true from looking at it from one point of view. Like from that Sethji's point of view, life is suffering. Chabana padta hai is also big suffering. It depends on your point of view, Sonalji.
Sir, but then in that case, pleasant and unpleasant situations.
सुनो ना, सुनो एक बात सुनो.
हाँ.
It is ultimately up to us. It is ultimately up to us.
Yes, that's the point.
Whether we choose to suffer through the suffering and the pain and the troubles, or do we choose to laugh and enjoy and love through the pain and the troubles? The troubles are there, ups and downs. वो तो life है. So what we want to do with it is what is important.
That
And
is agreed.
if somebody says life is suffering, I cannot say it is not. And if somebody says life is just a wonderful joyride, I will not argue with them either. It is whatever you want to make it. There was another story I will tell you. One king was there who wanted to prove to everyone that God does not exist. I am the king, I am the greatest, I am everything. My word and my law goes, there is no God. So there was one Vidwan Pandit who of course was a preacher of and the follower of God, and he brought him to the court and said, do you say God exists? He says, yes, there is God. Okay, there is God. Okay, so then he orders his soldiers to lift him up in a elephant's trunk and takes him in the air and about to throw him on the ground. He says, now if you tell me God exists, I'm going to ask the elephant to throw you on the ground. And he says, so now tell me, does God exist? And he says, no, God does not exist. There's no God, no God, no God. Okay, then he orders the elephant to put him down. And then he says, God exists. I see there is a God, I'm saved. So it is like this. It's whatever you want to make of it, Sonal. What you want to make of life. That is your choice. You are God in your universe. There is no ultimate answer. It is all up to us. With our understanding, with our heart, with our love, we do the best and create the best that we can. And I bless you to be in smile and in contentment through the suffering, in spite of the suffering, with the suffering, and learn and grow from the suffering.
Conclusion is state of mind, right?
In ourselves.
Conclusion is there is no conclusion, if that's acceptable.
Now, whatever we feel,
Yeah.
what is our feeling?
Yeah, what do you say? What do you say is all that counts.
सेठ जी
Who am I to conclude your conclusion?
Yeah,
सेठ
it
जी
is
की
our
स्टोरी दूसरे ढंग से भी हो सकती है.
Sorry?
सेठ जी की स्टोरी दूसरे ढंग से भी हो सकती है.
हाँ, कौन सी? बोलो.
सेठ जी को सब मिल रहा है, तो सेठ जी का माइंड सेट दूसरा भी हो सकता है कि मैं कितना लकी हूँ कि सब चीजें मिल रही है, मुझे सिर्फ चबाना भर पड़ रहा है.
Correct.
बाकी सब तो मुझे आसानी से मिल रहा है.
Correct.
वो सेठ जी खुश भी हो सकते हैं, उनके लिए लाइफ
Exactly.
प्लीज हो जाएगा.
Right. उसका चॉइस है, लेकिन वो परेशान हो गए, पसीना हो रहे.
No, we have not to.
So up to you, up to the changes.
We have not to take as a suffering. We have to take our pleasure
Life
to do
as a
it.
gift. Life as a gift.
Yeah, we have to tackle it anyway.
Yeah, tackle it, okay, but take it as a gift. Every experience is a gift,
Yeah,
including the
but,
suffering.
our state of
Including the
not-
suffering.
Yeah.
But
So
not we have to consider as a suffering.
Correct.
Yeah. So that's means
So
yeah, we are not
So,
controllers. So yeah. So
yeah, we are
that
not
is
the controller.
yeah.
We are
so
Then there
along
is
for
no
the ride.
suffering.
suffering,
Yeah. Yeah.
suffering means some negative thoughts.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, great. Yeah. I think, yeah, as long as we
So,
understand we are not the director or we are not the controller, yeah,
Yeah,
then we can
yeah.
understand that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Sanjoshi. Yeah. Nice
yeah, we are
learning.
not the director, we are
So
not the
Yes.
good,
controller. Life is
good,
just happening.
Yeah.
good
Oneness,
or bad experience is our teacher.
both are our teacher, yes. Good
Yeah,
experience also teaches, bad experience also, bad
also,
experience teaches even,
so we can learn from that.
bad experience teaches even more than good experience.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Great.
So
So,
anyway, it is useful not to consider as a suffering.
Rajesh ji, what
right.
is your take on it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Still grasping. Let me get back to you.
Yeah. I mean,
Let me get back to you.
no, I think it's easy to understand once we understand, like, I am not director, I cannot control the situation. Then what else I can do?
Right, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In
I'm
fact,
just along for
sometimes
the
when you
ride
don't
anyway.
control anything and just let it be, things just fall in place.
Exactly.
No, but
Naturally, let it happen naturally. That is what
Yeah,
the next state. Yeah.
things just fall in place and the natural outcome comes out of
Right, right.
yeah,
Correct.
yeah.
But so the something I thought of this morning actually when something, so uh, there were some, clothes lying around which needed to be picked up. And one thought I had is like what we are saying, we are not in control. I'm not in control. So whatever happens, let it happen. Okay, whatever happens, let it happen. And so then the thought was, so the house can become more and more untidy, or what? Is that what is going to happen? And I just let it be. And suddenly I found myself picking up the clothes and folding them and putting them away. So these, it's like a very, very delicate kind of balancing between allowing and and doing, with allowing the universe to flow through you.
Yeah.
It's a
See, I
letting
can
go.
say that way. I am director.
Sorry.
I am director, but I am not allowing outside situation to control me.
You as in Rajesh is the director of your life.
Yeah, I am big guy is a
The big eye.
director. Yeah, the big
The
guy
big
is a
eye is the
director.
director. Yes.
And outside situation is not affecting me. So I
Yeah.
can enjoy every moment, even though I am suffering. Suffering is one thing, and
Yeah.
next moment will be enjoyment. I can breathe fresh air. So,
Right. But when you are talking as the big eye, then there is no outside.
okay.
There is no outside. Outside events cannot bother me. Nothing like that. For I, there is no outside. Everything is inside only. Everything is within the eye, the big eye. So if you are operating
Okay.
and speaking from that channel where I am all of it, then there is nothing. Everything is just experience. It is only the small I that goes through all this suffering and
Okay.
enjoyment and pain and pleasure and craving, resistance. All these are experiences of the small I. Whereas the big I is experiencing it, and creating that experience because that's what it wants. It is only the small I which says yes and no to the experience. Big I
Yesterday
only
you
says
said something
yes.
so nice about that when you lose the alignment, you suffer, or something like that. You said.
Yeah.
What did
It's
you say?
only
Something very beautiful. You said.
correct. So only when you lose alignment with the big I is when situation becomes a suffering. So as long as you are not aligned with the big I, yes, there will be suffering. And if you align with the big I, and the more you align with the big I, then there's only ecstasy, there's only love, there's only joy. Even without changing a single circumstance, even without changing anything in the so-called outer world. Great. So at the end of the day,
Okay.
all we can do is smile. Pata nahi. Kuch, we just smile and enjoy the ride. As the little I, as the big I, we are all of it. We are all of it. So may we move more and more towards that together, and more easily and more quickly. If now it takes us 5 minutes or 10 minutes to come back to that, let it not even take that. Let us come to a point where even before it happens. Right. Life is a question mark. Yes. Not suffering. Yes. Very good.
Enigma.
If it's a question mark, where is the suffering? Very good. Great. Wonderful. Oh, 9:20 बापरे कहाँ चले गए हम लोग? Oh, may you experience contentment in your life. May all the gifts that life is become more and more real and available for you. May that contentment bring a smile on your face. May it bring joy to others around you. May this contentment bring gratitude. May it bring love. May it bring peace. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Shanti.
Jai Gurudev. Wonderful.
Jai Gurudev.
Thank you.
Jai Gurudev. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye everyone. Bye.
Bye, Nilima. See
Bye,
you.
bye.
Smile. Bye.
Sanjay ji, big pranam.
Oh, I'm just talking.